It's over 30 degrees. It's hot and humid, and I'm gonna be fixing a laptop that they said has a broken hinge. Huh. That's not a broken hinge. That's a broken mounting of the hinge. It's not the first time I have to deal with this kind of crap. Seriously, laptop manufacturers, could you like do a better job at this? This is happening way too often. On this episode of I Repair Laptop Repair Log, we're gonna be fixing this laptop. Also, they didn't bring the charger. Fortunately, it's an older Lenovo laptop, so it uses a fairly standard jack. The hinge on this side seems to be perfectly fine. It's just this hinge over here, so I'm gonna need the help of our friend long nose pliers. That's okay. A good amount of dust. Now first I want to know if this thing even turns on in the first place. Is there any software issues? Did it break the LCD? Looking at here, doesn't seem to be any damage. The power jack was put out of place. Great. Okay. Alright, it turns on and stuff. And it is working perfectly fine. So yeah, it's working. Shut down. Just shut down. I don't want to deal with Windows updates. So I removed everything that would get in the way for me to access. Damn, I need more light. There's the damage we have to deal with. These gold parts over here, you see these? You're not supposed to see those. They're supposed to be in there, embedded into the plastic part of the body. So I'm gonna have to move all these away. The wireless, I think the Wi-Fi wires, I'm gonna have to move these out as well. Fortunately, the display wires, the LVDS cable, doesn't go through here. So over here, what I have is the LVDS cable. This one is actually the wire that goes to the motherboard, to the display. I take any foam-like material, styrofoam or any similar material, which has an interesting chemical reaction with cyanoacrylate, aka super glue, aka whatever you want to call it, plastic material. Mainly because, well, that material no longer exists because it cracked and disappeared some time ago. So unfortunately, the mounting point over here, this is where they're supposed to be this, where there's like plastic and then the metal screw mount thing. I'm gonna drill a hole, maybe, yeah, sure. I'm gonna drill a hole here and then run one zip tie. Before I call it done, I want to make sure that, well, one, this thing is gonna need some cleaning before I give it back. So, as you can see, I can stress test this. Nothing's snapping, nothing is breaking. All right, look at that, it's beautiful. If I'm gonna give this back, I'm gonna give it back nice and clean the LCD. This thing doesn't actually have a password. It doesn't have a password. Seriously, there you go, welcome. Let's see if this thing would go to sleep if I close it. And there you go. Yep, that's blinking. Oh. I'm gonna shut this thing down. I'm gonna finish off with a zip tie. Then I'm gonna hide the nub down. Yep, I'm gonna run it like this. This is to make sure that this thing, yep, got the excess. There we go, one zip tie. Look at that.